History is not created in a day. It begins when an institution decides to lead the future. Aligned with India's AI mission and Digital India vision, ASM translated national policy into institutional practice. On 9th February 2026, ASM didn't just launch an event, we launched a movement.
I am the digital twin of Dr. Sandeep Pachpande.
For the first time, a chairman addressed 10 campuses simultaneously through a digital twin. In a powerful discussion on India's AI revolution, Dr. Sandeep Pachpande emphasized that the true democratization of AI begins with education. Schools, from schools to postgraduate institutes. Junior colleges, from classrooms to administration. Undergraduate college. Management colleges. From management to engineering. Engineering colleges. AI became a shared language across ASM. Faculty didn't just attend sessions. They designed AI use cases. They built adoption roadmaps. They researched the future of AI in education. Students competed, innovated, questioned, learned. AI was no longer theory, it was practice. This was not participation. This was not an event. This was institutional evolution. 150 plus AI skill workshops conducted. 100 plus AI professionals and expert faculty engaged. 6,000 plus students and staff participants. 50 plus AI competitions organized. 2,000 plus students competed. ASM AI Fest 2026, Learning Today, Leading Tomorrow.